Hello everybody, this is Jacob Nolly with the Graphite Lab, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the toolbox to generate a blog using our AI tools and have that post to your WordPress site automatically using Zapier. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you inside of the toolbox here, and I've gone to blogs. So blogs basically, as a feature, allows you to create a blog all in HTML just from the blog title. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over here to the toolbox and you're going to Zapier, and you're going to see that there is a trigger event called get blogs. And basically what this is going to do is anytime there is a new blog post, it is going to pull in a blog. One option that we have here is to remove HTML tags. So let's say you don't want your blog to be written in HTML, which it is by default. We'll actually remove the HTML tags for you. In this situation, since it's WordPress, I'm going to say false, click continue. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a blog here. So I'm going to do a new blog and I'm going to say key tips for writing a good blog. It's going to go ahead and create the blog, and you're going to see it's going to be grayed out while our AI thinks. It could take anywhere from like 10 to 30 seconds. Sometimes it can take up to a minute depending on how heavy our servers are running. And you'll see here it'll turn white as soon as it's ready. All right, now you've seen it's turned white. If you click into it, you'll see it's written the blog, and it's also provided a little excerpt for the blog. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the toolbox and we're going to test the trigger. And it's going to pull in the most recent blogs. You're going to see it's going to pull in the last 3 blogs that have been written. So here we go. You'll see here we've got several blogs here going on. Perfect. Let's see. So you'll see our blog just came through, our tips for writing a good blog post. One of the things that you do want to do is sometimes, obviously this is being written by AI, so one of the things that you're going to want to do is just proofread it. It's always a good idea to make sure that you agree with what the blog is saying. It is being generated by AI. It's a quick way to get content, but what we always recommend is post it as unposted. So then what you're going to do is all you have to do for the next step is basically click continue, and then WordPress, just connect your WordPress creator here, and you can choose the event called create post, which basically will then allow you to go and create that post. We always recommend that you create the post as unposted, which basically as like a draft, and then you can always have like an email step that will email that someone letting them know that there's a new WordPress blog that needs reviewed. And then all you have to do is just go into WordPress, just review it, maybe pop in an image in there or something, and then post it. But basically just like a quick way to fire off new blogs, and it allows you to come in here to your toolbox. And once you have this thing running, you can just pop in a bunch of blog titles that you want on your website, and then go over to your website, make sure that they're clean, make sure that they're everything that you want, and then post them up.